The adjustable room divider rod, model XXX, offers a damage-free way to create separate living spaces without the need for drilling or permanent installation. This room divider rod can be adjusted in width from 28 inches to 70 inches and in height from 48 inches to 120 inches, making it suitable for a variety of spaces. Constructed from high-quality steel with a 1-inch diameter and 0.8 millimeter thickness, this rod can support heavy curtains up to 40 pounds without sagging. The installation process is straightforward and requires no hardware, allowing you to set it up within minutes and easily disassemble it for storage or transport. Its versatility makes it ideal for dividing rooms, hiding storage, or creating separate zones for different activities in an open concept layout. Please note that this product includes only the room divider rod, and you will need to purchase curtains separately.